Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality article submission backlink and as well the image submission backlink. So the website name is deadrockinggames.com. So I guess this site is highly related for the gaming industry. So if you are in the same, so this should be the relevant backlink for you. Either you can create your backlink on this website. So before the started, we can resource something about this website statics. So according to Acharyev, the domain rating is 59, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 36, and the spam score is 0%. So now we can start. And before, according to similar web, this website having, I guess this should be not able to track this website traffic. I guess this should be the different URL, might be the things is different. So for traffic you guys will check any another using the any another tool. So now we can start. First thing, you can click on the create account button, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys will navigate easily. So you will click on the create account button, and there you guys will fill your all details, your username, then you guys will choose your password, then you guys will choose your email address, then your real name. So there you can add your person name, there you can add a person name, either you can your company name, DML training. And after that you can click on the create account button, and your account is successfully created. So you will see this is your DML training username. And after that, this video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. You can see there is option to, you guys will see upload file button. If you can see left corner, there is a upload a file button. You can click on this, and from there this process for the image submission. So you guys will upload your images. So for now I can upload my logo, website logo, DML training. Let me use this. And if you're wanting, so you can change your file name as well. So DML training, and there you can add something about the image. So this is my logo image, so this description should be matched for this. And after that, if you're wanting, so you can include your website URL. Let's see how it's look. And after that you can click on the upload a file button, and you guys will see this is a image, a backlink. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is image name, and this is image, and this is the description about the image, and this is a backlink what we inserted. And you will see this is a no follow, but the thing is there we included our website URL. So now the next part is to how we will create a article backlink on this site. So you can see top of the menu section there is a talk button. You can click on this, and from there you will see add topic button. You can click on this, and from there you will add your article title. For now let me use this DML training, NING, and there you can add your article. So suppose that, let me use this only. And if you wanting to make it a title, so you will see there is a E button, you can click on this, and either if you can wanting to, you can make it bold as well. And after that you will see there is a hyperlink button, but I'm not sure how you guys will insert DML training. I'm not sure how we will do these things. So if any one have idea about this, to how you guys will insert your URL effort, I guess this is something different things. And if you wanting to include your TRI training, SEO efforts, yeah. And if you guys will wanting to insert an image to, there is an option to, you guys will add your image username, image URL. So once you guys will complete all the things, to after that you guys will see there is a save page button. So you guys will click on this, but before that I can include my website URL as well in this article. And after that you can click on the save page button, and you will see this is your article title. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is 100% instant approved backlink. This is your article title, this is your article, and what URL we inserted in this article. This is a no follow, but the thing is to we have created article on this site. Okay, so overall this is the process of the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.